Introducing the RokLock Adapter. The RokLock Adapter works well with any PopSockets grip. It's easy to twist on and off your case and has a metal plate that can attach to our magnetic car mounts. Here's how to install it. First, unbox the RokLock Adapter. Open your pop socket. Second, clean the inside of the RokLock Adapter and the top of the pop socket with the wipe we provide. Peel the adhesive backing off the pop socket and stick it straight onto the adapter. Third, stick on the metal plate if you want to use our magnetic car mounts. Lastly, remove the RokLock plug from your case and twist on your RokLock adapter. Just twist and go. Go beyond protection with an added secure grip because you have better things to hold on to. Use your metal plate to stick it to any mount while in the car. Easily remove for use with bike and motorcycle mounts. Just twist on and off. This product comes with a 2-year warranty and a 60-day money-back guarantee.